now what my goal be today is to get past this woodland here and get these trees detailed out so they look like trees, and keep branches, some moss, and maybe a Tweety bird or two. For distance and for seeing it, then you're going to work from light to dark, because as things usually get closer to you, they become more defined, and then they'll become even a little bit darker.
Here's the mural at the end of the day. I wanted to get a shot from a little bit of distance so you guys can see really kind of what it looks like. The video doesn't do it justice. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more content.